Okay, as you can see, I am in the living room and we are continuing with the fall series, and hopefully you are enjoying the series, and I want to thank you all so much for showing up for me. Okay, so I am especially excited because I will be adding some floating shelves to the TV area. This is going to help give me the perfect space, to style with cozy seasonal touches, to create the ambience and around the TV, and also to help you also give you some tips, so you can also create something cozy for your own home. I can't even talk. All right, so I hope your day and week is off to the amazing start, guys. It's another week. I just got up from work. I just want to get this video done so I'll be able to post on Monday for you guys. So I believe you are all doing great, and I'm happy to see you guys. All right, so without further ado, please let's jump into this video because I'm so excited to show you what I've been able to do. Okay. Alright, I'm going to move away these decor pieces to give way for the floating shelves.
My head above the water, finally I can breathe again. Lost in the waves I wander.
So my husband is helping with the installation. He basically measured the length and width and where specifically the brackets should go to fit the shelves securely. And I must say that this option it's not bad at all. It's easy. The holes are already perforated, so all you need to do is slide them in once you get the accurate measurement. And he continued the same process with the same process.
Make me lose my senses, carry me away, away. A dream, dream, dream. Come take me away. I see a new horizon. My 2 feet steady on the ground. With you I found my reason. Yeah, to keep
the shelves are done and secured. I love them so much. They look so pretty on the wall. All right, so let's style them and then I'll show you how they look. Okay, well, the first shelf, these storage boxes are from Ross several years ago. I've moved them around the house a lot. Coming in now is this pumpkin shaped candle holder from Home Goods for $7.99, and I added candles in it. Second shelf, the full storage boxes are some are from my Dazzling Decor.us and Amazon. And these figurines, guys, I love them so much. They are my favorite. So you see them a lot in most of my styling. All right, in different part of the homes. I love them so much. And they are from my Dazzling Decor.us. I'm using them as a bookend, and the small floral arrangement is also from Hobby Lobby. with their 40% off. The third shelf, this gorgeous hand-bagged shaped from my dazzling décor.us, and I added a little bit greenery just to break the gold in a little bit. Coming in now is this ottoman from Burlington about a couple of years ago, and I'll be sitting lighted pumpkin in a bed of flowers. All right, let's go style the shelves on the other side. Top shelf, I added this beautiful mirrors from Amazon, the same candle holder from Home Goods, and I added this object too. On the middle shelf, this adorable vase is also from my dazzling décor.us. They are so gorgeous when paired together. I love them also so much. Another figurine, guys, from Home Goods this time, and I sat her on this bookshelf. Book and from Z Gallery. It's a set though, but I'm just using one. On the third shelf is also another decor find from Ross, and I added another floral arrangement from Hobby Lobby. At the bottom of the floor, I followed with the same idea from the first floating shelves and added 2 pumpkins this time instead. And the ottoman also is from Burlington. Okay guys, now let's move on to decorate the mantle, which is now together with the floating shelves the focal point in the living room. So I really wanted to feel warm, cozy, and seasonal for fall. So let's wipe it down first and start with a simple yet cozy and festive decor. The tray is from Burlington. The pumpkins are from Hobby Lobby, are the same as the leaves, and the string lights are from Amazon. To the sitting area, I'm going to move away the floral arrangement on the coffee table and pillows so we can begin decorating. I'm starting off with the end table by the plan, and I'm only adding this book from Amazon. There are some, I've seen some in Home Goods too, and object from Z Gallery. All pillow covers and blanket are from Amazon. And the blanket is so beautiful. I can't even say it. The blanket is so beautiful and it feels so amazing. It's a dark chocolate, but it looks in the camera as black, but it's dark chocolate. It feels so good. The accent pillows are from Home Goods. The accent pillow with the pumpkins are from Home Goods last year. And to the love seat, all the pillow covers also are from Amazon, and pumpkin from Home Goods. And they are taking shape. I'm loving this so far, guys. I hope you are also enjoying the series. All right, let's move along. I also added this plaid blanket from Hobby Lobby. It feels so soft too. Okay, so now let's style the coffee table. I'm starting off with those beautiful decorative books from Amazon for elevation. They are actually blank from inside, but I love the cover so much. It screams fall. It's beautiful. This vase is so gorgeous, but it's a little delicate, guys. The ruffle on the edge is very tender. You have to be careful because mine is even chipped, as you can see, and it's from Amazon. You know, I got it, I think, Prime Day, but it's increased tremendously, and I can spray paint the chipped area because I love it. It's beautiful. The eucalyptus flowers are also beautiful and perfect for the color what I got going on, and it's also from Amazon. Coming in now are this bowl from Target, bowl fillers from Target, and the candle is also from Burlington. Look at the snuffer, guys. This is so clever. It has a pumpkin as the head with leaves on the stick. Beautiful. I love it. moving along to the accent chairs, I added this beautiful arrangement in a wicker vase from Amazon and battery operated candle also from Amazon on the end table. And these two pillow covers are from Amazon. And all what I have said in this video will be listed in the description box below. And here's the finished look of my floating shelves around the TV, guys. And the whole living room is looking together. I love how everything came up together. The mix of textures, the cozy seasonal touches, and the balance it brings to the living room. It's to die for. I love it. My heart is so glad and I'm excited. And what I enjoy most about styling chef now is that you can really let your creative shine. A few simple changes like adding pumpkins and the string lights completely transformed the space without having to do a full makeover. What do you guys think? This is now one of my favorite areas in the house because it feels really inviting, blending in the entire living room, and I'm so happy. Thank you so much, guys, for always coming and spending this decorating time with me. And hopefully this video inspired you to look at your shelves or plan to install one as a space you can style seasonally too. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Like, comment, and share. Put on your bell notification on so you don't miss on all the exciting seasonal decor that will be coming your way. And until next time, my family, please always remember that you are fearfully and wonderfully made. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.